Hey friends, welcome back to Garage Oven. Today I have tried making egg sambar. This is a different variant of my way of making egg sambar. You will love making this egg sambar or motte saro in the comfort of your home, and you can enjoy it having with steaming red boiled rice, or you can also have it with hot sona masuri rice. You can also have along idli, dosa or chapati. Just imagine how delicious it is. To begin with, let's make coconut sambar masala paste. We are proportionately adding all of the spices. We are not going to add too much. It should be mild and delicious. So please note down the ingredients which I have mentioned in the list. Also, it is available in the description box below. You can also add shallots or Malabar onion, maybe around 6 to 8. But I have added here onion which is half medium. I have chopped it. This is the main stage wherein you need to roast the whole spices, the onion, the red chili well. So I am roasting it under low heat for a duration of 1 minute, after which I am adding half grated coconut and roasting until you get a very good aroma. I have been also roasting the grated coconut under moderate heat for a few seconds. Meanwhile, you can keep around 10 to 12 eggs for boiling for 15 minutes. Close the lid and let it boil under low heat. I have boiled extra more eggs, which I'll be keeping aside for night dinner. After 15 minutes, plunge the boiled eggs into cold water and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I have kept the roasted masala and coconut for cooling. I have transferred it to the mixer jar, adding the tamarind and turmeric powder. Add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. Parallelly, you can peel off the eggshells and keep it aside. Here I have medium sized onion which is finely chopped. I am heating a big tablespoon of ghee and I am going to fry the onions until it is light brown in color. Here you can see how well the onions have caramelized. Now I am adding the ground coconut sambar masala paste. Add adequate water, do not dilute the gravy. Add salt as required. Here you can see that the gravy has started to boil. I have made gashes on the eggs and I am going to drop it into the gravy. Here I have 2 raw eggs. Now I'm going to beat them well. Here you can see that the gravy is boiling well. I'm dropping the 2 beaten eggs into the boiling gravy. You can see the wonderful texture of the gravy here. It just looks delicious. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can give a gentle stir. The curry has been cooking well from the past 5 to 8 minutes from moderate to high heat. You can see that the egg have taken in all the masala flavor. Finally, I am adding a little of chopped coriander leaves, giving a stir for a minute of boil, and here is your delicious egg sambar ready to be served. I hope you loved this recipe. Please do try this recipe and do let me know your views in the comment box. I will be coming with yet another delicious recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Bye.